Welcome back everyone. Today I want to show you a new DIY project I've created. I'm really excited to share it with you, so let's get started. For this project, I need a motor speed control board. You'll also need several rechargeable batteries, a geared reduction motor, 38mm Edison-style LED, copper tube with a 3.2mm hole. I'll cut a 1cm piece to use as the propeller shaft, a battery charging board. Don't forget the square bamboo coaster. And finally, prepare 1mm copper or brass wire. First, I will draw a circle with a 3cm diameter. .5 cm along the circumference with a compass to form a hexagon. To divide the circle into 3 equal parts. The blades I made are 5.5 centimeters long. You can also print the template provided in the video description. Next, bend the brass wire to match the template. Solder the LED in place and note that I have included it in description. With all 3 pieces completed, it's time to assemble them together to create the blades for our windmill. I measured the components to build the windmill frame. I made a 10cm tall pillar. Make 2 identical pieces. Then solder the 2 sections together. Start by placing the windmill tower on the wooden board and marking its position. Drill 4 small pilot holes and apply glue to firmly secure the tower in place. The wiring diagram is available in the video description. Lightly file the motor shaft for better solder adhesion. Set your soldering iron to about 400 to 450 degrees Celsius. Use heat shrink tubing for insulation. Continue by using glue to secure the blades in place. This copper wire services as the commutator that delivers the positive contact to the blades. This is how it works. Use glue to secure the charging port. Carefully solder the wires to the charging module, making sure to match the positive and negative terminals. And that's it. And here is the finished windmill, built step by step from simple ideas, turning into a real working creation. You can independently control the motor speed and LED brightness. Good luck with your own version. Thank you for watching.